In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily, in 2 clicks, simply bring all your content that you built in any session within the BRAVOZONE. For this particular tutorial, I'm using Spark. I have 40 questions in here. This actually has to be for a session I made for a citizenship for US. So with Spark opened here, you can simply go over your library and you'll see this sentence up here. Click and drag questions between your question library and your quiz. Or click on the blue text here, click here to import all quiz content. What I'm going to first do is create a new library. We're going to call this and submit it. Now I'm simply going to go ahead and click here to import all quiz content. It's going to ask me, are you sure? I'm going to say yes. And now what it's done is created a folder based off the name of this particular session, and it has all the content in there. That's it. Always remember, you have the option of going up to Content, Question Editor, where you can edit any content that's already in a library or add additional questions. We strongly recommend building your content using the Question Library Editor itself. So I go to Select Library. I'm going to go ahead, look for U.S. Citizen Test. Now I can go ahead and delete this default. And now I have my 40 questions. And if I wanted to, I can go in here and edit this content. Well, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.